This product is special designed for women with disabilities. Cuddly bird. Let's take a look at its functions. The sonic sucking vibration stimulates 8,000 nerve endings in your clitoris, hitting the spot in 1 second. Licking and kissing you like a lover, passionate but gentle. It uses the same silicone material as baby pacifiers, and food-grade silicone material ensures your body's safety without any allergic reactions. The Supermute can let you enjoy more privately and protect your sensitive emotion. Magnetic charging, quick and convenient. Cover the lid for disinfection, keep safe and health. Setting a mood light, enjoying love even when you're alone.